Hello, welcome to Around the House with Kay and Tom. And today, thought we'd roast up some of these little potatoes here and some carrots, and that always goes good together. I'm getting where I like vegetables more and more, but I won't never let my meat go by the wayside. You know, you gotta always have a piece of red meat. And so, anyway, let's get started with it. We'll cut these up or cut them about in half so they'll roast better, you know, and so I'll probably just leave the carrots the way they are and let them go. So now let's get started and see what we can do with them. Okay, now we'll put these in here, I think. Well, I don't know exactly how many I want yet. I'll see when I get them in here. Okay, that's just a little bit over a pound of those potatoes there. And so I want to keep on going. I get a half a pound of these carrots in there. We're getting there. Ooh. Close enough. Alright, pound of potatoes, half a pound of carrots. So now we'll go wash them off over here. By the way, I was just going to show you this shirt my daughter made for me in Raleigh, North Carolina. And she's got a video on how to do it, and I'll leave a link down below to show you how to get to her channel. So anyway, oh, by the way, it's Living the Dream with Danielle. I'll leave a link. Okay, now I'm just going to rinse these off, go with cold water here. Really all I want to do is get the dirt and junk off that they might not have got when they were processing them. One always tries to escape. I'll do it one more time. Okay, now I've got this paper towel laying here now. We'll sort of lay them out here and sort of let them get dried off a little bit. These are going to be good when they're finished, folks. It's been a long time since I've had any fixed. And so I was sitting there thinking about it this morning. I said, I need some potatoes and carrots. That's a pretty good looking little duo right there, isn't it? Dry here for the most part. Now get out the cutting board. Okay, now I'm going to just go cut them in the middle like that, most of them. It just helps them roast. And they look better when they come out like that. I'll show you in a minute. Well, a few minutes. Well, y'all have got a chance. If you can, join our channel and give us a thumbs up. We sure would appreciate it. And thank you very much to all you people that watches our videos. It sure does mean a lot to us. Don't let the last one get you. Alright, now I'm going to dump them all right back in this bowl. Like that. Lay that aside. Get my carrots over here. Put them back in the bowl. There you go now. Okay, now I'm going to come in here with my little Evo oil sprayer. And I got olive oil in this. So I'm going to spray them down pretty good. Now this serves two purposes. It helps to hold your seasoning and stuff on there, and it helps it brown up good. And so I'm going to put a little salt on it. Okay, we'll put some pepper on it. Put some McCormick Italian seasoning. Now you do all this to taste, you know. I mean, if you like it really heavy, put it on really heavy. If you don't, put it on light. And of course, everybody's secret ingredient, oregano. Now I'm just going to mix this up a little bit. All right, now see, none of these guys here look like they have anything on them, so we'll do it again. Do exactly the same thing on it. Okay, we're going to give them another little shake here. That looks like it's covered pretty good now. All right, now the next thing we'll do, we're going to dump it right down this Ninja FOODi Deluxe here. Moved around a little bit the way I want, about leveled off there. And now we're going to shut the door. And we're going to turn on the power. And it's going to be on air crisp, and it's $3.90 for 20 minutes. I'm going to run the time on up. I'm going to leave the $3.90 on there, but I'm going to run the time on up 30 minutes. All right, now we'll hit the start button and let it go to cooking. So we'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, now they've been cooking for about 20 minutes or about 15 minutes here, so I'm going to take a look at them. Oh, they're getting close to being done now. Boy, don't those look good. I don't know if I'm going to let them go to full time or not. I might have to stop those just a little bit early. We'll let them go on a couple more minutes though. Let me get a toothpick. They feel pretty good. I'm not going to let them stay in there much longer. I'm going to let them go just a little while, about another 5 minutes maybe. Okay, now it's got less than a minute to go here. I think these are going to be really good. I hope so anyway, because it's my lunch. Okay, now we're down to 2 seconds to go. So it's done. Alright, I'm going to tell you right now, these look great. Got my handy dandy Fry Daddy scoop right here. It does a great job inside this Ninja FOODi Deluxe. Oh, don't they look good? Now don't forget, now this was a pound of potatoes and a half a pound of little carrots. Baby carrots. Oh, carrots, baby carrots. Now they're trying to spill out on me. Hell, so that thing is hot, hot, hot. Couple of little guys slipped down in there. Now, next thing we're going to do is take some good old Parmesan cheese here. Make it look like it's snow on the mountains. All right. I'll tell you right now, that's got to be good. Sometimes you cook something like this and you say it can't be bad, you know. So. Look at that. Now I think it's too hot for me to eat right this second. I gotta let it cool for a second or two. Those are really good and they're really hot. I suggest you let them sit there for about 5 minutes before you start eating on them. But now they are really delicious. So next time, I hope you enjoyed watching this little video as much as we enjoyed making it for you. And I hope you come back and watch more of our videos. And if you can, give us a thumbs up and join our channel. We sure would appreciate it. So till next time, y'all have a real good and safe day. Until then, goodbye now.